Kerala government's move to relax COVID curbs for 3 days for Bakrid was not stayed by the Supreme Court today. While hearing a plea seeking immediate end to the relaxation of COVID norms, the Supreme Court did not impose a bar on the relaxation for Bakri Eid by the government. The apex court said that all states must be vigilant and not become complacent. The top court has also asked the state government to file a reply today. The matter is going to be heard tomorrow at 1 p.m. The move may get enough leeway to the state government as it had given relaxations for Bakri Eid on 18th July, 19th and 20th. While hearing the matter, Supreme Court once again reminded the authorities on the importance of Indian citizens' life and should be given paramount importance. The state is consistently recording nearly 14,000 cases daily. The IMA, that is the Indian Medical Association, has warned the Kerala government over easing of COVID restrictions. And in a strong statement, the doctors' body has said that it is pained to see the situation in Kerala. Kerala has vaccinated over 50% of adult population against COVID with at least one dose of COVID vaccine.
If there is some social interaction is taking place, if the places are open for people to interact and all, there is a chance of a spread of COVID-19. In that sense, we are actually taking a risk. So you look at the context. It is a celebration and this is only for 3 days. It is actually a very small period of time. If you open our shops maybe for 1 day, it will create a lot of crowds and there will be a chance of super spreading events.
We have not reached in a situation in which we can give total relaxation, not at all. Our test positivity is around 10 plus. And also we have the Delta variant or vaccination has reached only 30%, 35% of the population, first dose only. So it's not at all time for total relaxation. Even if it is Bakrid or Ramzan, Christmas, Onam, Trishur Puram, Shabarimala, whatever, it is not the time for the total relaxation. We'll have to wait for some more time.
Reporting from Delhi, and Gopi Krishna Nithan joining us from Thiruvananthapuram, joining us live now. Anisha, I'm coming first to you over the Supreme Court and the order that is coming from the Supreme Court and when the next hearing is scheduled for.
Well, Jyoti, the Supreme Court will be hearing this matter at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow as item number 1. Justice Nariman's bench has made it very clear that it is not happy with what is happening, but has at this moment not passed any orders because the Kerala Government Council, Advocate G. Prakash, argued that all protocols and precautions have been put in place. Now, the issue before the court is that when there is a very clear direction from the court as well as from the center that there should be no public gatherings or religious religious gatherings at the moment because of COVID, then why is it that the Kerala government has given these relaxations for 3 days? Now remember, Bakrid is on Wednesday. The relaxation has been given for 18th, 19th and 20th. With today being the 19th, the apex court has given time to the Kerala government to file their detailed reply by the end of the day today, giving exact details of what kind of protocols and precautions have been put in place. The matter will now be heard tomorrow, but at the moment there is no stay or no order from the court for the Kerala government to reimpose these curbs, particularly
yes.
as the
I also want to bring in Gopi Krishna Nithan at the moment. Gopi, what's going on with the COVID situation in Kerala? There are about 14,000 daily active cases that are being reported in the state of Kerala.
Well, exactly, Chiti, because Kerala's total active caseload still stands above 1 lakh, and that is indeed a cause of concern. And yesterday, Kerala reported about 13,900 fresh COVID-19 cases, and there just doesn't seem to be any respite in the daily tally of Kerala. But the only thing that is actually a relief for the state administration is the test positivity rate, because the test positivity rate has remained somewhere between 9.5 and 10 over the last 2-3 weeks. So that actually shows that the case data or the COVID tally in Kerala is actually plateauing around the TPR rate of 9.5 to 10%. Now, coming to this Bakrid relaxations, which has kicked off a huge controversy. Right now, I'm in Eastport, which is actually one of the major commercial streets here in the state capital. And if I can show you these visuals, this actually just looks like any normal day. You can see all those shops, which includes the jewelry shops, the textile shops, the other fancy shops, and all those classified non-essential shops which are open on either sides of the street. but we did not really see a huge crowd like something what we have seen in other parts of the country or something that we would see during a normal festive season. Because during the Onam, Christmas and Bakrid season, usually we see thousands of people covering up this entire road, making it difficult for even the vehicles to pass through this road. But that is not the situation, at least as we speak at the moment. So this is the situation here on the ground. And Bakrid is actually on tomorrow, that is on 21st. The government has given relaxations only for shops in A, B and C categories.
All right,
so
Gopi,
these are actually
Gopi
the
and
local
Isha,
bodies.
thanks for joining us with the very latest details on this story. After UP and Uttarakhand, Delhi has also cancelled